Hello everyone and welcome back to the IELTS Workshop channel. My name is Khánh Huyền. I'm a teacher at the level of junior and pre-senior, and today we are right on schedule for the latest episode of Speaking Sample. Question number 1. Are you a punctual person? I would like to say that I am, but in reality, people say that I am not. I am fashionably late to every social function that I'm invited to. And this is so notorious of me that even my best friend does not trust me to show up when I'm supposed to. Well, in my defense, this is not a failed attempt to be on time. This is actually my deliberate choice to not be on time. Well, just between the two of us, I just honestly do not want to get out of my house, like, ever. Number 2, do you think it is important to be on time? Of course it is. I suppose it goes without saying that when you make the effort to show up on time or on the agreed time, you are coming across as a person that is respectable and respectful, particularly to the one person that you are meeting up with. Number 3, do you always avoid being late? To be perfectly candid, I don't. This sounds like I am a horrible person, which I kind of am, but I cannot see why it's such a big deal to be on time all of the time. I understand that there are certain social conventions dictating that we are supposed to be on time, say like job interviews or classes or meetings or even movies. Still, I am a Vietnamese at heart, and us Vietnamese are known to be systematically late. So that's fine by me. Why are people often late for meetings or appointments? Well, speaking from personal experience of a latecomer myself, I can say that there are a plethora of reasons. First of all, people can be very bad at time management, and they can fail to get out the doors simply because they miscalculated how much time it can take them to put on a presentable outfit, or they did not factor in the traffic volume, especially at peak hours. Another reason that springs to my mind is that sometimes being the final person, or actually being the first person at a meeting, can mean that you have a, say, lower social ranking. So by making all the people wait for you to start a meeting, you are getting across the message that you are an important person, more important than the rest maybe. Are people in your country often late for meetings? Sadly, they are. Again, this is entirely my personal experience. Working with Vietnamese people in a Vietnamese company is not a very uncommon scene. Yeah, not that I am one of those people who are continuously late. I am just usually off by like 2 or 3 minutes. Still, what really irks me is that when people showed up, they don't show up ready for the conversation or the discussion. And I think that's actually worse. Do you think people are born with time management skills, or they can develop them? My stand on this topic is not a either-or problem. I believe it's no longer nature versus nurture, but I think it is nature and nurture. What I mean is that sometimes people are inherently born with a certain trait that can make them excellent at this department. Other times, the skill can be developed with a lot of external help and, of course, guidelines. For example, the wonder, the invention that is Google Calendar and push notification. In combination, they can help people manage their time and their schedule seamlessly. Alright, so that was my sample for this kind of questions. Do you guys like it? Is there anything that I can improve? Please leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye!